Hello, people. Okay, today I'm going to show you how we use Google Chrome Music Lab because that is your assignment for today. So here I am in the assignment. You can see here that it is due by 5 p.m. So in order to make your own song, you can click here on your individual document, open that up, and I provided you with a link to Chrome Music Lab. So you can click here. You can also just type this into a browser. This does work on a phone, but if your phone is like switched off and on silent, then you won't be able to hear anything. So I'm going to click here, open up Chrome Music Lab. There's all these really cool experiments here that you can play around with. This little monkey one and the Kandinsky ones are some of my favorites, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to show you SongMaker, which is how you're going to complete your assignment, right? So I'm going to click here on SongMaker, and then you'll see this sort of grid pop up and a bunch of options everywhere, right? So I'm going to move my face out of the way. You can choose two instruments. So here we have marimba and like an electronic thing for your percussion. You can click on those to switch them around, right? You can use blocks, a drum kit, conga drum, piano, strings, woodwind, all the good stuff, right? So for this, I'm going to choose marimba and blocks. This tempo here is the speed of your song. So for now, I'm just going to leave it at 100, and then once I put in all the notes and stuff, that's when I'll change the speed. Okay, so it's super simple. All you have to do is click where you want a note to show up. So I'm going to click here, and you can hear the sound, right? I'll turn up my volume a little bit. Cool, right? If I press play, it'll play all the notes together. Sounds pretty bad because I put two notes on the same column. I'm going to stop that and sort of start to mess around. If I decide I don't like one of these notes, then I can just click it again and it'll disappear. For the blocks, those notes are along the bottom, right? So you can click on one of these and you'll see like the lower note is the lower sound. Here's where I can kind of create like a regular beat if I want, right? So see, pretty cool. Okay, so now I'm gonna fill up the entire board, right? So you'll see on the document that I made for you, down here there's a little rubric, right? If you wanna get 100, fill up that whole entire board. It should be fun, so just do it. Then the other grades you'll see, if you don't complete the whole thing, that's what you'll get. Once I've filled out this entire board, that's when I'll go back and mess with the tempo, right? So give me 1 second, I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I filled out my whole board. I'm gonna play it all the way through. It might sound really bad and I might have to go back through and tweak some things if I don't like it, but let's see how it sounds. Not bad, right? If I mess with this tempo here, it'll get faster. If I lower it, it's a lot slower. Okay, so for yours, once you do all that, you're gonna go down here to the save check mark, save it, and then there's a little link here that you can copy. Copy that link, go back to your SongMaker document, paste that link right in there, and then turn your work in. Can't wait to hear your songs.